Hey again, this is Matt with MS Partners LLC. So, did you know that you can sometimes buy land without using a title company? So, before you panic, this doesn't mean skipping important steps. It just means handling the paperwork when the deal is simple and the risk is low. Today, I'm going to walk you through how a basic self-closing works and the due diligence that you should always do first. The first thing you should do is confirm that the person that is selling the property is the actual legal owner. And you could do this by checking the county recorder or the clerk's website. Most counties have free online searches that you can look up, and you can look up by the property owner name or parcel number. So, first, or find the most recent recorded deed and make sure that the name on the deed matches the person you're speaking with. If it doesn't match up, stop, figure out why before going any farther. Sometimes the county can be slow to update their record. So if the seller bought the property recently, it may not update. The easiest thing that you can do is ask the seller for their recorded deed. Has to be recorded. When they give you a copy of that deed, it'll show a book and page number on the deed. And then you can call the county clerk's office and ask them if they have this deed on file and if it is in fact the most recent recorded deed. If that's the case, the grantor on that deed is the most recent recorded owner. So that should be the seller that you're working with. Next, you want to check if there's any liens on the property. Liens could include things like unpaid taxes, judgments, contractor liens, or other financial claims against the land. You can usually search this through the county clerk's office or the recorders as well. If liens exist, they may need to be cleared before you buy the property. You should also check the county tax assessor or the treasurer website to confirm any property taxes or back taxes. If taxes are delinquent, those taxes will typically become your responsibility after purchase. So it's important to know how much is owed on taxes, if any. Sometimes a good deal isn't actually a good deal once you factor in back taxes. Once everything checks out, the seller can transfer ownership using a simple deed, warranty deed, quit claim deed, depending on your situation. The seller signs the deed in front of a notary, and then the document gets recorded with the county. Recording the deed with the county is what officially transfers ownership into your name. Self-closing can work well with small land deals, especially when both parties want to keep things simple and save on closing costs. But the key is always doing proper due diligence first. Confirm ownership, check for liens, verify taxes, and record the deed correctly. I hope this helps. Please like and subscribe.